Last time ahimda achusugi jackfruit banu was so needed so we are going to eat one. I need to need the fasra labka oil gumi oil. So no aniti so anebe open begolo jackfruit is dimya sweet be umami. Ani jackfruit di hemon size ani chidi dile maza wahala mi asiba. So I think we taste it jisu taben there is atagine. So ching the sugi jackfruit saika si labi shwini dili.
Timbre surita.
Let me try this. Shimmy, sweet way. So that's jackfruit nale amchite and city satu pangobe. So ashim yani ngode and we're going to eat this. So last lagi I'm kimchi noodles. Ngati ani hensi zakti steam baby zani napsami kawa. So this is how I used to eat this steam baby shave devara zanigi. Next the garlic fry bean. So garlic chickadi. So I fried button mushroom also. So ani this thing is Sachi tapchi and immaturely fry baby. So this is the final product. Looks delicious. And any carrot is steam berutu. Debi oil asli sunuba. So I fried it. Now let's cook our kimchi noodles. So chudi hit pe save boil rogalu ani soup masala sununi. So asi boil be chube and we can put our noodles. The noodles ni zoi that to the machiki. Looks yummy. And rice shimeba ni chika. So I put some rice and it's already cooked. This is how I eat. Shimega. So any noodles in spicy mindu debita. It's so tasty. Shimto to me noodles tea. Tasty name tasty. Tolu bizashi tolu be. This is the button mushroom. The noodles mix without aloo. It's very delicious. So the shimeme chingai try beta temple. So evening time 5-6 the china atara walk na juni. So and this is my sister. And the next day we went to Shida. on the way towards our home. And this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Have a good day.